What is spin selling and how can you use it to make more sales? In this video, we will go through the model step by step. We will show you how you can use it in various different sales scenarios, and more importantly, we will give you examples of questions that you can use straight away when you've watched this video and apply them to your sales meetings, your sales presentations, and get instant results. What is spin selling? Spin selling is an approach that focuses on asking the right questions to uncover a prospect's needs and guide them towards making a purchase. It consists of 4 types of questions. Situation questions, looking at the current situation of the buyer. Problem questions, identifying customers' pain points. Implication questions, creating urgency for change. And finally, Need-Payoff questions, providing a solution to their needs. By using spin, salespeople can lead better conversations, build trust, and position their product as the best solution without a hard sell. Spin questions for the first stage, situation. This is where you gather current relevant information about the customer's situation. Here are some sample questions you might use at this stage. What tools or systems are you currently using to manage whatever the situation? How is your team currently structured to address this current business challenge? What is your organisation's top priorities in this area for the coming year? Spin questions for the second stage are focused around problems, identifying the challenges or the pain points that the customer may have. Again, here are some sample questions you may use. How satisfied are you with the results you're getting from your existing systems or tools? What is your biggest day-to-day challenge? What's stopping you from solving this challenge? The third stage is the implication stage. This is what might happen if you don't do something about it, highlighting the consequences of not solving the problem. Here are some sample questions you might want to use. How do these challenges, with whichever problem you've identified, impact your team's overall productivity? What effect does this issue have on your company's ability to meet its targets, its timescales, its growth? What would be the financial impact if this situation continues for another 6 months or year? The final stage is the Need-Payoff stage. These questions are focused around showing how your solution can potentially solve their problem. Some sample questions to do this are: how valuable would it be if you could reduce this specific problem by 20, 30, 40%? How would solving this challenge help you achieve your broader business objectives around this particular goal? What other areas of your business would benefit if this particular issue was resolved? Spin selling works because it shifts the focus from selling to understanding, helping prospects see why they need a solution and, more importantly, the impact if they don't implement a solution. It's not about convincing someone to buy, it's about guiding them to the right decision through smart, focused questioning. When used correctly, spin helps salespeople close more deals, reduce objections, and build trust with potential buyers. There are countless ways you can use spin in the sales process, but it's important to get the practice right before you start the process of asking the questions. The best practices for spin selling: ask purposeful questions. Use open-ended questions that encourage a more detailed response and actively listen to the buyer and their response to maintain an ongoing dialogue. Guide the buying process. Earn the buyer's trust and adjust your approach based on their needs and the stage in the buying cycle. Offer support to guide them towards making a decision. Handle objections and follow up. Listen carefully to concerns. Clarify misunderstandings and offer solutions that align with the prospect's objectives. Be prepared to address common objections such as price and time investment. Spin selling isn't just used for sales calls and sales meetings. Spin selling can be used for networking events, sales presentations, lead generation, negotiations, social selling, coaching a team, marketing, or public speaking. It has many uses. No matter where you use spin selling, it always comes down to one main thing: understanding the buyer's needs and guiding them towards the right solution. Start using it today to have better conversations and close more deals. Thank you for watching. If you would like more information on any type of sales training, sales tips, sales coaching, don't hesitate to contact us.